You are looking at a love it or list it winner. Want to see what I bought with my winnings? Stay tuned. Hi friends, it's Stephanie from Three Queens Resale, and if you are new to my channel, thank you for clicking, and if you are returning, thanks for coming back. It means the world heart to me that you are part of my reseller community and you continue to come back. Those of you who are new, make sure that you like, subscribe, leave comments. YouTube likes all that, and the more feedback or interaction I get with my videos, the more they get pushed out to people who are interested in reseller content and want to be part of a positive experience. So, with that said, let's get into today's video. So on Poshmark, they often have probably like once a week, like a love it or list it challenge where if you list things, you're entered into a drawing and you can win. Well, I didn't believe that to be true. I thought it was like just a scam to get more people to list, but I won. I won. So I won $100 of Posh credit that I could spend on the site. In addition to that Posh credit, I had some additional Posh dollars that I'd saved up over the years of people joining Posh using my code, which is at Three Queens Resale. So if you are not already on Poshmark and would like to be, if you sign up with my code, I get $10, and I believe you get $10 off your first purchase on the site. And I would appreciate you using my code because I like free stuff. But yeah, so I had the $100. I woke up to a message from Poshmark that was a love it or list it winner. That was on October 30th. October 30th. Actually, it was the 31st. I think it was actually on Halloween. But I digress. It doesn't matter. So I decided to spend my earnings, and I am going to show you what I got. I'm going to do a little haul. It's not a true unboxing because I already undid one of the boxes because I wanted to wear the clothes that I got. But I'm so excited. So I'm going to show you now. So hit that like button and let's get into it. And I will leave all the information of these ladies' closets down below in my description so that you can go shop them as well. So my procedure for shopping on Poshmark is very strategic. Because I'm a Poshmark seller, I know that lots of buyers on Poshmark anticipate getting offers. So what I went through is decided what I wanted first, what I was looking for. So I definitely wanted a pair of Madewell button fly jeans, which I got. Exhibit A. Got these bad boys right here. So I got one of these button fly Madewell jeans. And these have a raw hem. I have worn these twice. I love them. They're a tad big for me, but Thanksgiving's tomorrow, so I mean I can change that if I need to. So yeah. So I got these. So my strategy was to go through, and these came from at Smokey_love. Like I said, I'll put it across the screen and I'll link it below. And I also got this Barefoot Dreams duster cardigan from her. It has pockets. I love it. I wore it last night. It's super cozy. So I got those two items from her. I bundled those things, and I got both of those for $65. So, and she gave me discounted shipping. So let me tell you my strategy for buying things on Poshmark. So first, I had the Madewell jeans in mind. I knew that's what I wanted. So I went through and searched Madewell jeans and liked the ones that were my size or what I wanted. after I went through and I looked at all of them that were in my size, and I liked them. And then I ruled out some that were too expensive or not. They were black and I wanted blue, whatever. So I got it down to like, it was like 6 or 8 different sellers were selling what I was looking for in my size and what I wanted. And these, I think, are the 10-inch mile high, or no, 10-inch high rise button fly jeans. So that's what I wanted. And then she had them priced at $40, and the cardigan priced at $45. So I went through and I liked all those, and then I sat back and I waited for offers to come in. I wasn't gonna buy until someone sent me an offer, and basically I just wanted a shipping discount and an offer. So once I got offers, then I looked through those people's closets to find, because I wanted to bundle, because I didn't want to pay multiple shipping discounts. I wanted to try to get down to 2 sellers. So I went found the lady Smoky underscore Love, who had the jeans I wanted and the Barefoot Dreams cardigan, so I went with her. So you want to try to optimize as much as you can with your shipping. So when you bundle, if you can find multiple things from the same seller, then you're only going to, and bundle those items, you're only going to pay shipping to that one buyer for those things, as opposed to buying the jeans over here, the sweater over here, blah, 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 blah. Then you're going to have to pay shipping for each of those. So that was my first purchase was the cardigan, the duster cardigan, and these wonderful jeans that I got. So I got those 2 things, super happy with those. Gave her a 5-star, left her a love note. She had those items, the pants were $40, the sweater was $45, and with the bundle offer, she gave me $69. Oh wait, let's see. She offered me $69.95 and discounted shipping, and I took it, and so here we are. So the second person that I spent my money on, and I had like I said, $100 from Poshmark, because that's what I got on the Love It or List It challenge. It was $100 credit, but then I had about $70 or $80 in other Poshmark credits that from people signing up using my code. So I am going to open this box on camera so we can see what we got. And this box comes from, let's see, at DRAIRYA Adria 2. I'll put her shop name at the bottom. I have not looked at this. We're about to look at it together. But now, how I came across her, it was the same day I was getting my vitamin infusion when I was doing all of this. So I had like a lot of time to burn. But on Instagram, she was having a store sale, and everything in her store was $12. Everything under $60 was $12 an item. So I was intrigued. So I was like, let me see what she's got. So I went over there. I went to her store, and these are what I got. Let's see. Let me show you. I'm so excited. So we're going to see this for the first time together. So everything in the box is wrapped individually, which Smoky Love, her stuff was wrapped individually too in these cellophane with the thank you stickers on there. I do keep these because I reuse them for somebody else, because I try to be eco-friendly when I can. And I will keep this stuffing, or this paper as well. So, first item out of the box, are these Lucky Brand sandals, wedge sandal. I thought those were cute. And look at the soles, like they look really good. So, and these are all things for me not to resell, just because I wanted to treat myself. The next thing is this. This is a blue tassel. It's just like a peplum. Let's do this over. A peplum tiered top, long sleeve. I thought it'd be cute for fall. It's like a oatmeal beigey color. And then another pair of, these are corks. Another pair of sandals. Because I'm making 4 trips to Florida here in the winter. So I was like, I will have occasion to wear them. And it feels like Florida in this room right now. I'm sweating. And it doesn't help I'm drinking hot coffee. I probably should be drinking water. Oops. Oh, and this was new with tags. This is an anthro sweater. It was originally $118, marked down to $80. And this was Pilcro. But it's just a chunky, like, cream sweater, like I could throw on with some leggings. Love that. Love that. We'll get much use out of that. And then this is what kind of got it all started, because I saw these and I knew I had to have them. They are also new with tags from Anthropologie, size XL. They might be a tad big, but I'm going to make them work for the season. But they are leather culottes. And I don't know why, but I just was like, I need these. I need these. So, yes. So, kind of 3 different separates and 2 pairs of shoes. So, I got all of those things from her for $60. And the old order total with shipping and everything was $71.65. So that is what I spent my Love It or List It challenge money on. So I will link these wonderful sellers below, their closets below. And thank you for watching. And if you like this video or want to see more hauls of things I buy from other resellers, give me the thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.